In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split screen feature on Microsoft Edge. This feature is perfect for multitasking, allowing you to view two websites side by side without flipping between tabs. I'll walk you through two different methods to enable this feature, ensuring you can choose the one that suits your needs best. Let's dive into the first method. Begin by launching Microsoft Edge, and once you have it open, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice three dots. These dots serve as the menu button. Go ahead and click that, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Split Screen. Click on Split Screen, and voila, your screen will split in half. Each half acts as a separate browser window. You can now type in the web address you want to open in each portion of the screen. This method is quick and straightforward, making it ideal for those who want immediate access to split screen functionality. Now let's explore the second method, which involves a more customized approach through the settings menu. Once again, you'll want to click on those three dots in the top right corner of your Edge browser. This time, when the drop-down menu appears, select Settings. This will open up a new menu with all sorts of options, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the fastest way to find what you're looking for. You'll see a search bar at the top within the settings menu. In this search bar, type Split Screen. This will quickly direct you to the split screen feature settings. Once you see it, make sure to toggle the split screen feature on. After you've enabled it, you'll notice a brand new split screen icon will appear at the top right corner of your Microsoft Edge window. This split screen icon serves as a quick access button. Clicking it allows you to seamlessly toggle the split screen feature on and off whenever you like. With this setup, you've added a dynamic tool to your browsing needs, making task management much more fluid. Whether you're working on multiple research documents, comparing data, or simply keeping your eye on social media while catching up on the news, having a split screen can make your life a lot easier. And there you have it. That covers both methods to enable split screen on Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll enjoy the convenience of browsing with more organization and less hassle. If you liked this video and want to see more tips and tricks like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.